Wow!
Hello po.
Tinanong nila ako kanina
Ano daw?
kung sino daw unang member na bumati sa akin.
Sino?
Sabi ko kasi kagabi, di ba nag-edit ako nung...
Ako ang nagbati sa'yo ah.
Hindi!
Sino?
Sabi ko,
Ulit ko. Ulit ko.
Hindi!
Ano ba?
Sabi ko kanina, bumati sabay-sabay. Tapos sabi mo...
Ano ko ang bumati ah?
Kayong lahat sabay-sabay.
O hindi, siya una.
Sabi ko, uy, birthday na nita.
O hindi, siya una.
Sabi ko, uy, birthday na nita.
Siya una. Hindi, siya una.
Sabi ko, uy, birthday na nita.
Siya una. Siya una.
Tapos sabay-sabay.
Alam niyo, 30 seconds lang pagitan. Huwag kayong... Oh, anyway. Teka. Anyway. Teka. Oh, anyway.
Guys,
You guys know that awkward moment when everyone sings happy birthday to you and you're just like,
That's it.
yeah, thank you. Thank you everybody. Wow, thank you so much. You are my best friends. My best friends. My best friends. Best friends for life, really.
iyak ka ba?
Don't cry. Don't kayo magdidigo pa tayo.
Sige.
Papagalit na. So, for now guys, he's gonna make his wish secretly.
Before you blow your cake, the candle of your cake, what's your wish?
What's your wish? Tell me.
Sana pang grupo yung wish mo ha, kasi uy. Ayan, nandun na po sila.
Hello po everyone. Galing po kami sa
Parang
training.
gusto ko yung parang SOP ganun. Yung kakataan niyo ko ng thank you for teaching me how to love. Isa pa. Labas kayo. Take two, thank you. Take two. Kayo. Take two, thank you. Take two. Gusto ko parang Teacher's Day, ganun. Okay.
Jom, hindi ka namin marinig. Wala, sorry. Wait, eto na. Sorry guys, if you can't hear me. I can't hear you too.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
I'm so sorry.
So kaya nga eh.
Parang mas masarap yung cake mo sa cake ko nung araw.
Pare-pares lang yan.
Sino
Hindi
ba?
ko yan pasikat kuhain eh.
May nalagyan yung phone ko.
Parang ang pangit ng pasok natin. Dapat ulitin natin yung pasok natin. Yung parang dapat na-surprise ka. Ulit. Lalabas tayo naman.
Take two.
Take two.
Okay guys, so, back to ano?
Parang yung asap prod. Sabihin mo pagpapasok kami.
Sexy. Wow, it's a bear.
Daddy bear.
Yeah, it should have been a whale.
Okay.
Oh!
Ooh, cool fire.
Cool fire.
Uy!
Ay,
Parang sasabihin mo dapat yung wish mo para
nagdadasal.
marinig namin.
Dapat sasabi.
Sabihin mo dapat. What's your first wish?
Dapat secret.
Ah, secret.
Secret.
Ah, secret.
Secret.
Ah,
Dapat secret.
Parang naluluha nga si Maki.
Tulog na po siya, guys.
Uy, ang haba ng wish mo. Parang hindi na-record yun.
Everything's gonna be alright. Okay, enjoy your life, guys. Enjoy talking to
Bye.
Handsome Hyung. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Bye bye.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys.
Love you!
Thank you, guys. Let's go.
Roll sound.
Sound production, take 2.
So yun, sana ano ako ng New Age, sana i-surprise na ako kasi wala akong idea talaga na nandito sila. So, sana, ayan. At tagal mo hindi tayo. Iniisip ko na rin. Thank you for teaching me how to love.
Hawak kamay.
Ay, yung ko lang.
Di kita iiwan sa iiwan sa
Mm. You want some? Nah. That's all mine.
Several months later.
Okay, so who is most likely to eat his birthday cake alone? Show your answers. Jom. What? Oh, look! Oh, wow! Mas marami, Jom! Jom!
And I'm the first person to stand up and say, this is not right, this is not cool, this is bull, this is bull.
2 for F. Uy, binigyan ko kayo ng cake.
Roll sound.
Sound production, take 2.
Ayan na sila.
Papasok na kami.
Ah, sige, pasok na.
Papasok na.
Happy birthday!
Target locked.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hagulet, hagulet.
Okay, I'm gonna take your time. Sana po mag-debut na kami. Oh!
How old are you?
How old are you?
Me, I'm 30.
I'm 30.
30 years old today. I'm 30 years old today.
And pizza. Pizza. Sana po bigyan po nila ako ngayon. May mga kasama po ko dito pero hindi po nila naiintindihan ang aking sinasabi. Ang gusto ko naman pong kainin dito sa Korea ay sotok-sotok. Kung pupunta po kayo dito sa Korea, itry niyo po kainin yan.
Sino members ang first and last bumati sa'yo? First, si Tad. Kasi magkaroon kami ni Tad. Tapos itong tatlo, di man lang pumunta ng 12 a.m. sa room ko. Hinintay ko, hindi pumunta. Pero okay lang kasi binati nila ako ng pagkagising nila. So ayun. Pero ang last si Wilson yata.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
sleeping.
but I kind of woke up late. I'm sorry, English, di nyo kaya.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Kiss.
Kiss. Yun. Lagot.
Jom, uwi na tayo. Saan ka? Saan tayo uwi? Saan tayo uwi?
Are you on drugs? Are you f***ing on drugs? Why do I want to go home?
Yung cake inuuna ni Jom. Diba? That's what I'm saying. Kapag may pagkain, laging parang magnet kay Jom. Kusang lumalapit sa bibig niya.
Bubuksan mo pa lang yung ano.
Isang
yung-
bibig niya.
Narinig niya na agad yun.
It's free real estate.
I will cut it, you know?
Pwede ba natin kainin ito?
Pwede yan.
Wait, can I?
First bite.
Kasi meron pa tayong ilang days ba?
Bago mag...
Hindi ko years.
Oh!
Huwag ka naman ikaw. Nandito ka pa kami, mauna na kami.
Okay, more.
Sabi din po nila nung sabi po ng manager po namin, yung mga nagbe-birthday po dito, kumain po ng seaweed soup. Seaweed chicken. Para daw po tumangkad o mas lalong pumogi. Joke lang po.
Nilapitan ko hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilat ko. Nalasing kagabi, ang galing katabi, kanabi.
You all, pa-shoutout kay Kuya Tan. Tamiya. After Tamiya. Hello! Pa-shoutout kay Kuya Tan. Tinotot mo na. Tamiya. Thank you. Baka naman pa-shoutout kay Wilson Sky. Pa-shoutout kay Kuya Maki. O, Denise.
Hi po, Denise. Shout nga eh. Ha?
Pati yung ano niya nonchalant. John, pa-shoutout daw.
Shout out.
Ganun bang shoutout?
Ay!
Tama. Ayan. Shoutout nyo, nga kagandahan ko.
Kagandahan ko!
Parang ayaw naman nila, Rhea.
Whose memory greeted you first? Maki. It's like exact 12 a.m. 12 a.m. He greeted me. Jom, anong Pinoy food namimiss mo dito ka daw ni Mama? Sinigang? Yeah. And sisig. But sinigang? Maki cooked sinigang earlier and yesterday. Yeah. So I don't miss it a lot. Maybe sisig. Titigan ko. Titigan ko. Titigan ko.
Hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilat ko. Nalasing kagabi. Utang na loob, mag-debut na kayo, please.
Soon?
Tantan soon.
Could you pay me in advance?
You serious? Pay for what? Standing there?
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
TMI.
Sinabi, debut date.
Magti-debut na ba? Magti-debut na ba? Really?
Actually, we're gonna debut online.
Nasa bundok po kami para pong kitang-kita mo yung buong mundo. Buong Korea. Kitang-kita mo po yung buong Korea.
Really, dude?
At nagkakausap po nung time na yun kami.
Have you ever had a dreams that you could do so you want.
Pwede ba kayo nito? Nagda-diet kayo
Hindi.
Bawal.
Diet.
Ba't ba kayo nagda-diet?
Ayaw mo sabihin kasi.
Nagda-diet sila guys.
Ba't kasi strict diet, no?
Ba't kasi strict diet?
Ano kayang gano'n?
Eh, ko alam.
Baby, I get deja vu. This feeling I knew. Close to the top title. It's a deja vu.
They want some.
No, thank you.
Do you guys want some?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
No.
Sorry.
Tad William Mary. Bawal po.
7 years.
We're trainees.
7 years.
We're trainees, of course we can date. But we can't date.
7 years later.
strawberry. Kasi kita ako.
Wait. So, wala mag-endorse?
Parang asang gamot na amin ko eh.
It's so good. It's really good to try strawberry. Oh, really? Okay.
Ano, masarap nga. Ano, masarap nga.
Yeah, really.
Ooh!
Yeah, yeah. I was nowhere I was nowhere I could. It's really good, right?
The strawberry is so good!
Lasa siyang ano,
Kawin lang.
Goldilocks may pagka-red ribbon.
Sarap. It looks plain and boring.
It's really good. It's
The
really
best cake ever. Ever best cake.
good. Ever best cake.
Si Jom yung naglagay nung lock sa pinakataas nung parang Christmas tree. Ang tawag po pala dun is lock tree. Lock tree.
Speak Korean challenge.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 저는 케이크를
Ano?
먹어요.
Cake.
케이크를 먹어요. 괜찮아요?
Ano?
먹어요.
May chance ba na mag-new hair kayo? Opo, naka-ano po kami, naka-wig. Tusok-tusok.
Iba-iba per ano.
Mag-change ba kayo ng hair color? Sige, pwede kayo mag-suggest kung anong hair color gusto.
Suggest lang.
Suggest lang. Hindi naman susunod.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Which member did last greeted you?
Was it me?
Who was the last member who greeted you?
Was it me?
Hindi namin po sasabihin.
We're not
gonna say it.
I get it because it's his revenge, maybe.
No, it was not intentional.
It's nothing personal.
Nothing
No, it's personal.
It's nothing personal.
It's okay. Yeah.
It's nothing personal.
No, it's personal.
Is Maki so quiet in dorm 2? Yes.
No.
Sige.
Ano ba yung answer?
Sige.
Ano ba yung answer?
Sige.
Ano ba yung answer?
Ano daw?
That is, ano daw, Maki, tahimik in dorm.
It depends.
It depends.
Kung nasan siya. Sa dorm?
Tahimik siya, pero yung music niya, talagang nagagalit ang kapitbahay. Ganun kalakas, guys. Talagang pag nasa CR siya performance level, narinig mo binibirit niya, siya ang main vocal sa CR talaga.
Biglang may umahalo, kuya.
Okay, go.
Current favorite P-pop artist? For me, Beanie. Beanie. On top, Beanie on top. Alam niyo namang coverist kami nito eh.
Ngayon alamat. Gusto ko
Alamat.
yung Dayang.
Oh yeah, they're killing the vocals. How about you guys?
SBN ba?
SB9.
SB19 ba?
Given. Yeah. Matic.
Okay, guys. Say Say oh,
Galing naman. Baka
Ang
naman.
masarap nga ng strawberry din. Post kayo or photo op? Photo op! May W! Photo op! Let's go!
Ano ba?
To it, oh. Oh. Oh.
Sana lagyan niyo po ng filter yung talagang pang main visual kami lahat yan.
Paremini po.
Bago niyo i-post yung ano, yung maganda yung quality.
Paremini po. Tad blue hair. Blue hair?
Why not?
Blue hair. Should I do blue hair? Well, actually, it's up to the stylist. Maki red hair. What is Maki red hair? Mukha siyang ano, alam niyo yung posporo.
Posporo?
I need Wilson with red hair. Also red hair for Wilson. Josh L. Dreadlocks.
Dreadlocks! Ooh! Is that?
I think it's
that
prom.
Is that
cultural
inappropriation?
Something like no.
Like
Let's not do that.
Mga reggae.
Happy birthday, John for bald. Like sorry. Oh.
Ay pwede, parang
Parang
bagay.
bagay.
Pwede,
Parang
bagay.
bagay.
Sana.
Pag
Joke lang. Sabihin ko sana pag nag 1 million chuchu pero
Ipag-pray po natin.
yeah. Yun na yung birthday wish ko.
How is Wilson as a performance leader and as a kuya? Okay, speak the truth.
He's perfect.
Do you make me shy, shy, shy?
Really? Happy birthday! It's like he really feels like a Korean mentor from the survival show.
I mean, he's strict but he's also not strict.
Yeah. It's
Only in the
perfect
middle.
balance.
Marami siyang talagang patience. As in, pagka
Kasi
panganak
may patience
niya,
niya.
pagka panganak niya,
But there
Because I'm
are
not patient.
really sometimes where I lose my
sorry na.
It doesn't happen often, right? It doesn't happen often.
Yeah, it doesn't happen often.
5, 6, 7.
Get it together, sweetie. We have a show this weekend.
Who's the most cutest member? Sabihin nyo, please. Sabihin nyo na.
Down below.
si Josh. Pag napili mo birthday mo naman eh, okay lang.
Sabihin nyo lahat. Gusto ko marinig lahat nyo sabihin. Sino ang cutest?
Sabihin nyo na.
Uy, parang na-open na ako. Personal lang.
Parang gusto mo
Sabihin nyo na.
Parang hirap na hirap kayo. Kagroup nyo ako dito. Pamilya tayo dito, guys. Sabihin nyo na, L.
Si ano? Si
Isang letter lang, guys. Grabe kayo.
manager.
Tingnan natin.
What is your concept? Do you mean the newest song? Concept? Hint please. 5, 6, 7.
O sige, wag ikaw napagalitan. Kami, wala kami dito. Wala kami dito.
Okay. Ganun lang.
Cute concept po kami.
Nasing naman siya. Pwede na.
Drunken lang.
Love your bond. I love them too.
Oh. Ano ba yung band? Band? Paper?
Common band.
Rubber band?
Mighty band.
Yung band?
Ay, masyado siya mataas. Lumban,
Ano band?
sorry.
Burger band?
Hindi na, hindi na tayo.
May edit na lang tayo.
Hindi na, hindi na tayo.
Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor, the doctor.
Sabi mo, Brady! Kasi isa tayo ko, no? Sorry guys, wala kami practice. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor. Kaya ka na lang kaya. Please, hindi natin ito ituloy. Talaga, kailangan sa namin practice na.
Eyelid magnetic dance.
Want you, like it's magnetic. Super.
Kaya kasi ginagawa din niya sa door, bigla na siya sa 7 ganyan.
Saka yung ano, heartbreak anniversary.
Bigla kami nag-usap, tapos bigla kami nag-usap. Sobrang random.
Wait. IG.
Yeah, and we really want to like visit every country.
Yeah,
But
but
we can
first,
see everyone.
But
But first, No, technically term. First, we need to debut.
Yeah.
In the Philippines.
Nababasa nyo, basahin nyo. Basahin nyo. Gusto mo malakas. Ayan. Ayan, basahin nyo.
L, ang cute mo.
Today.
Dapat, mali kayo guys, dapat everyday.
Everyday dapat.
Bakit today lang?
Wag niyong ilagay yung today. Pag sinabi niyo ang pogi-pogi mo, L, walang today. Kasi like, parang ano, today na ako, pogi. Parang everyday dapat.
Kayo magbasa kasi nga talagang...
L.
Ngayon, capital letters.
At least pogi ka na yun.
Everyday na dapat. Dapat araw-araw.
May comeback.
No, lagot ka.
Alex, so beautiful. I guess somebody said otherwise.
Okay, if magkaka-concert kayo all around the world, what's the top 5 country will you choose? Okay, starting with you, Ma.
Ano yun?
Country you wanna have a concert in?
Late.
Pangasinan.
Hollywood.
Alam ko na natin yung late na nakapagkasinan eh. May mas lalala ako pala.
Okay. Okay guys, we're done.
Uwi muna kayong Pinas, please. Of course, we're gonna go there soon. How soon?
Bukas.
Tomorrow. Next one. Next.
So,
Well, we're waiting.